I've got the Charlotte Tilbury Trinket mystery box. So if you want to see what's inside, then stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out with me, and Chloe is just off relaxing. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Trinket Mystery Box. And last I checked, it was still available. So it may not be by the time this gets aired, but I am filming this on the 18th of December. So it may still be, it was still available as of yesterday. So in here we have, I think it was this looks like 4 items. And we have the Charlotte's Magic Cream. And I have tried this before. It's a very nice face cream. Looks like it's a little ornament. And this is 15 milliliters or a half of an ounce. Next, we have the Color Chameleon Color Morphing Eyeshadow Pencil. And this is in Champagne Diamonds. Very pretty. And the Airbrush Lip Blur Matte Meets Moisture Liquid Lipstick in Pillow Talk Medium. Very pretty color. And we have the Matte Beauty Blush Wand in Pillow Talk Pink Pop, which I believe I have. I'm going to see if I can find that, and I will be right back. So I do have it, and there's a little twist that you're going to twist, and then you're going to just, ooh, got a little too much out there. So that's a big glob of it. You're obviously not going to have that much usually. Just be careful how much you put on. So I put a little bit over here to show you. Okay, that is my little mystery box. So tell me your thoughts. What was your favorite item? Mine, I love this blush stick. I won't lie, I love it. Although that eye cream or face cream is very nice too. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.